Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Squirtle. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper. And please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the left eye with a curved line down here. Then draw a half oval shape on the left. Now inside, draw another curve at the top for the highlight. And then another curve inside here and color it in black. Now draw a small line under the eye here. And then another one above. Connect them with a circle shape for the head. Let's draw his mouth next. From the left here, draw a short line in. Now a V shape. Then continue the line over to the right and curve it up at the end. Let's draw the other eye now. On the right, above the mouth here, draw a line across. Then close off the eye with an upside down U shape. In the top of the eye, draw a circle for the highlight. Then underneath, draw an oval shape and color it in black. Next, let's add some detail lines above each eye. Then 2 lines here for the nostrils. Let's draw the arms next. Draw a large curve shape here on the right, leaving a small gap. Close it off now with a V shape. Now inside, draw 2 more V shapes for the fingers. Next, let's draw the belly. Starting from under the head on the left, draw a curved line down to the right. Let's draw the other arm now. On the left here, draw a curved line out. Then under it, a longer line like this. Then close off the opening with 2 V shapes for the fingers. Now inside, draw 1 more sideways V shape. Let's draw the border of his shell now. Draw a small curve here between the head and the right arm. Then to the right, an S-shaped curve down. Now under the arm, draw another curve down here. Then draw another wavy line to the right of it. Let's draw his legs now here. Close off the gap with a curved line across. Then draw the sides of the leg with curved lines down. Close off the foot now with 3 pointed toes. Now let's draw the other leg to the left. Draw 2 curved lines down for the side of the leg. Then a diagonal line down here for the bottom of the foot. Finish it off with 3 pointed shapes for the toes. Let's draw the shell next. On the right side, draw a curved line down to the leg. Then inside, draw 2 curved lines. Now let's draw the detailed lines on his belly. Start with a curved line across here at the top. In the center now, draw a line down, stopping about here. At the bottom, draw diagonal lines down in both directions. Now draw another line across the center. And then pointed lines out on both ends. Under the belly, draw a small curved line to the right leg. Now to the right of the leg, draw a large curved tail like this. And then inside, draw a swirl. Sorry, I forgot to draw one more thing earlier. On the right eye, draw a curved line down here. And that's it for Squirtle. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.